Hello everyone, I'm Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a really super fun nail video. Now here on my channel, I usually share a lot of makeup videos, curl videos, but today I'm bringing something new. I'm going to be showing you how I do my gel nails at home. If you do enjoy this video, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below if this kind of video is something that you guys would like to see more of here on my channel. So I got the makeup, I got the curls, and maybe some more nail videos coming. So let me know what you guys think, and let's just go and jump right into it. Here is the new gel nail set that I'm going to be creating in today's video. I cannot wait to start sharing and showing. My nails right here are the set that I had before today's nail set was done. And I want to say this is about 2.5 weeks of growth. It was like just under 3. I almost made it to like 3 weeks, but I had a lot of nail growth. My cuticles are doing really good. And it was time to do another set. And I wanted to keep it fall, so I still have these fall nails right now. So I'm hoping to get some wintry Christmas ones soon. All right, off camera, as you can see, I went ahead and did my gel nail removal. The nails have been filed and they are ready for some gel polish. For this video, a few of the things that I'm going to need is a LED light. This one is from Red Carpet. I've had it for like almost a decade. And then some gel polish colors. These are also from Red Carpet. And I've recently started to use the brand Gelish. I have like a 4-pack. Here's their foundation and top it off. And I love it. So I'm going to be using them as a base and top coat. Also their pH bond as well. Here are some foils. I got this for my birthday, and it came with a big nail set of all different things. Even these tweezers came with it, but we're gonna add some foil. I've really been loving adding like foil to a nail look. All right, we'll save all this for later, and we're gonna jump right into prepping the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and add the pH bond. I really could have just done my pinky finger and my index finger because those are the only 2 nails that I'm going to apply color to at the moment. Same thing with the foundation. I didn't need to add it to all 4 of my nails. I think I just got a little crazy and excited because I was filming. So I was thinking, oh, let me get them all done. But if I was to go back and do this again, I would have waited, and I just would have done my pinky finger and my index, because once you put them under the light and you cure them, you're going to have a tacky, your nail's going to be tacky on top of it, and you don't want anything to stick to it as you're just, busy moving your hands around. But that's okay. We live, we learn, and we figure out what to do differently for our nails. So after curing that one time, I'm gonna start going into adding the gel polish. I love this gray color. It's one of my favorite colors from Red Carpet, and I'm gonna go ahead and start with a nice light coat and get the edge of my nail. Also, don't forget to get the edge of your nail for your base. I totally forgot when I was using the Gelish. I didn't go over the tip of my nail, but make sure you do that. But yes, I did it here for the colors you can see. And then once I get a good coat, I'm going to cure it, and then I'm going to add another coat. I ended up adding one more coat off camera, so in the end, I had 3 coats of this color. You just need a little more, so it's a little more intense and a little more bold. And once that is done, it should look a little something like this. It also has little like shimmery specks in it. It's so pretty. I love it. Here we go with the top coat. So using from Gelish there, Top It Off. I'm going to get a really nice layer of that. Don't forget the edge. And then I am going to cure this 3 times. For some reason, I just like to cure it 3 times. It makes me feel good inside, so that's what I do. And after I cure that, it's going to be time to use the Purify cleanser. And here it is, the Purify cleanser from Red Carpet. So I'm grabbing that and a cotton square, and I'm going to add that product to the whole top of the nail and the edge right there, so we get rid of all that tackiness. Once those 2 fingers are complete, it's time to jazz up the ring and middle finger. So grabbing those other colors, orange, yellow, and red, gel polishes, and a paper plate, because I'm going to wipe off some of the excess product from the brush. So I get off as much as I can here, and then whatever's kind of left there, I'm going to keep rubbing it right there, and then I'm going to continue to my nail. Here I did not get rid of the tacky part from earlier doing the curing the foundation, and that is fine. So I'm going to just do a couple little swipes. I'm trying not to think about it too much, but it seems like I was overthinking it there. But just wherever you can, very randomly, get a couple little swipes and then cure that right away. Once you cure that first color, it is going to stay put. It's not going anywhere, and then you're ready for your next color. So with the yellow, I'm going to go ahead, wipe off the excess into the actual polish bottle and then on the plate. And I love also showing you guys kind of like what goes wrong as well, because we're all learning here, and I want you guys to know that it's not perfect for me either. I did not like how this yellow, I should have wiped more of the, you can tell right there, there's too much product on that brush. I didn't like how much was there, but don't fear, don't get upset, just wipe it off and then apply it again. I actually ended up doing it one more time, but I didn't show you guys that, but I didn't like when I did that one as well, and I was like, oh my gosh. So I did again, and then once it was right, I cured it. Now it's time to move on to the third color. So it's time for the orange. This orange is a really beautiful fall orange shade. I love it. Once more, after wiping off the excess polish, we're going to jump to randomly applying some brush strokes to the nail. And I really love this nail look, you guys, because you can literally just change up the color combination to fit any like holiday nail look you want to do, any event you want to do, some birthday nails. Like, it's just really fun. There's just the color combinations are endless. So after one quick cure, it is time to bring in the foil. Adding the foil to my nails is one of my favorite things to do lately. So if I like don't add foil to my nails, it is just like, it's so rare. But we're gonna add really tiny pieces of foil today, and I'm gonna keep applying them with the tweezers, and then I just press them in so they're nice and flat. You don't want them to be sticking up and to cause points or, you know, a snag on your nails. So you want to make sure they're really nice and pressed down. So I use the pad of my finger or the side of the tweezers. Once that's all nice and pressed down, you don't have to cure it after this. You could just kind of go for the top coat, but I don't know, I just like to give it a quick cure. So after I have placed all the foil and I like where I have put it, I'm going to cure my nails one time before we top this nail look off. Here we go, grabbing the Top It Off from Gelish one more time, and I'm gonna get a really nice good coat. Of course, I'm gonna remember to coat the edge as well. After I did this first top coat, I did cure my nails one time, and then I'm actually gonna add another coat of the Top It Off, and then I'm actually gonna cure my nails 3 times. I know it's a little extra, but that's what I do. It makes me feel good inside. So I grab it again, do a quick coat, and then cure it 3 times. I did also off camera wipe those nails with the Purify cleanser, and I also did the other hand and my thumbs. And the last thing that I love to do is add the cuticle repair treatment from Oh My Natural. If you guys have never tried out this nail oil before, you gotta check it out. I'll link it down below. It has like changed my nail game. I absolutely love it. So check that out if you're interested. So I'm gonna add that, and a little bit of this goes a very, very long way. Don't really need a lot. If I do find that I have like too much on, I'll just, you know, add it to my elbows. There we go. So quick little rub in there for the cuticle treatment, and then I'm gonna add some to my opposite hand. Once that is complete, we are done with these nails. They are moisturized, they are done. They're just ready for anything. That's what I love about gel nails too. As soon as they're done, oh my gosh, we're not going to worry about nicks or messing up the nail look. They are good to go. I'm so glad you guys hung out with me today and checked out this nail look. I'm so excited for the next nail look that I'm going to be sharing with you. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out with me and checking out today's nail video. I hope that all of my makeup lovers, my curl friends, I hope that all of you will come back next week and join me for another video. Take care.